Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can activate a Forex card on the HDFC bank. So first off, you'll have to collect your Forex card, and then the first step in activating your HDFC Forex card is to collect the card from the nearest HDFC bank branch. You will need to carry a passport, visa, and air ticket to collect this card, so be sure to have that prepared. And then the HDFC Bank provides the Forex card along with the welcome kit that contains important documents as such the PIN, the card ID, and the user manual. After that, you'll have to log in to your HDFC Bank net banking account. Once you have received your Forex card, you'll need to log in. After that, select the Forex card option. You'll need to select the Forex card option from the cards tab. Now you'll see a list of all of your Forex cards that are links to your account. And then you'll have to click on the activate card option, select the Forex card that you want to activate, and click on the activate card option. You'll be redirected to a new page where you need to enter the card details such as the card number, expiry date, and CVV. After that, set your ATM pins. Once you have entered the details, you will be asked to set up your ATM pin. You can choose any 4-digit pin of your choice. It's simple enough. After that, submit your details. After setting the pin, you need to submit your details such as your name, date of birth, and registered mobile number. Then the HDFC will verify your detail and send an SMS to your registered mobile phone number, confirming the activation of your Forex card. After that, just reload your Forex card. Once your Forex card is activated, you can reload it online through the HDFC Bank net banking portal or through the HDFC Bank mobile application. And that's it, you're done.